Welcome to St. Jude Design Studio. In Ree's video, I will show you how I create beautiful background picture that is perfect for 2D animation. After you draw circle, shape it with B-spline tool. Put the hand and the legs using the same pattern. Now apply color, group all and duplicate.